Hi everyone, today let us check out this Phalaenopsis bastianii. We repotted it to a bigger pot in May 2019. For those who want to recap the repotting video, please check the link in the description or click the info card on the upper right. It has been 9 months after the repotting. We can see that there are 2 new leaves, and 1 new flower spike sending out from the stem after the cold temperature spell. Unfortunately, there are also some black infections on the base of leaves. However, this Phalaenopsis seems strong enough to cope with the infection so far. Let us take a close look at the old flower spikes. The old spikes branch at the nodes which did not bloom before. And we can see that the flower buds are developing at each tip. Phalaenopsis bastianii is well known as a keiki producer. We thought the small leaves on this pike will be developing into a keiki, but it didn't. Alright, let us draw our attention to the roots. We can see that the roots are growing well. We do not see any bad influences caused by the old bark chips in the center. If you enjoy this video, please give it a like, hit share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you soon.